ChatGPT's mobile app has become a huge success, bringing in around $2 billion in consumer spending since it launched in May 2023. It's now the leading AI app on the market, leaving competitors behind and changing how people use AI in their daily lives.
This remarkable achievement positions ChatGPT's mobile app as the undisputed leader. Now, to understand how ChatGPT earned billions, it's essential to follow a chronological and strategic path from its origins to its current state as a dominant force in the AI world. This journey wasn't a single event, but a series of calculated moves. ChatGPT's story begins with its parent company, OpenAI. Initially founded as a nonprofit organization, its goal was to ensure artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. However, the costs of training large-scale AI models are immense, requiring a massive amount of computational power and data. The first major turning point came in 2019, when Microsoft invested $1 billion in OpenAI. This wasn't just a cash infusion, it was a strategic partnership that gave OpenAI access to Microsoft's extensive Azure cloud computing resources. This access was critical, as it provided the infrastructure needed to train the increasingly powerful language models that would become the foundation of ChatGPT. In November 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT to the public for free. The key innovation wasn't the underlying technology, based on the GPT 3.5 model, but its user-friendly conversational interface. This approach made AI accessible to everyone, from students writing essays to developers debugging code. The public's response was explosive, with ChatGPT reaching 1 million users in just 5 days. This period of rapid, free adoption served as a massive real-time market research and data collection engine. The more people used it, the more data the model received, which in turn improved its performance and made it even more engaging. It created a powerful flywheel effect of growth and improvement for ChatGPT. The mobile app itself appears to be a dominant product for both the company and the consumers. In August 2025, ChatGPT's iOS and Android app has already earned $1.35 billion, marking an astounding 673% increase from the $174 million recorded during the same period in the previous year. On average, the app is consistently bringing in around $193 million per month, a big rise from $25 million per month in 2024. This great mobile app revenue is a significant driver for OpenAI, contributing to over 70% of its total revenue by late 2024 from premium subscriptions like ChatGPT Plus, which is priced at $20 per month. ChatGPT's financial performance on mobile devices dwarfs that of its competitors. The $2 billion lifetime consumer spending is roughly 30 times higher than the combined lifetime consumer spending of competing chatbot apps such as Claude, Copilot, and Grok.
Overall, in the broader generative AI chatbot market as of August 2025, ChatGPT holds a dominant 60.40% market share, followed by Microsoft Copilot at 14.10% and Google Gemini at 13.50%. Besides premium subscriptions and in-app purchases on mobile, it generates substantial revenue through API usage, selling access to its models to businesses and developers. Enterprise licenses and custom solutions, such as ChatGPT Enterprise, target larger organizations with enhanced data privacy and dedicated compute. Partnerships and integrations with Microsoft for Bing Search and Azure and third-party plugins like Expedia also contribute by potentially earning affiliate fees or commissions. Despite these diverse revenue streams, the high computational costs associated with running state-of-the-art AI models mean that companies like OpenAI have historically operated at a loss, subsidized by significant investor injections. For example, OpenAI reportedly spent around $9 billion in 2024 to generate about $4 billion in revenue, resulting in a staggering $5 billion operating loss. The global AI assistant market is projected to continue its promising growth, with a compound annual growth rate of 21.3% from 2024 to 2030. Key drivers include increasing demand for virtual assistants in daily tasks, growing adoption of smart home devices and IoT, and a rising focus on productivity and efficiency in businesses. Within the application category, Android is expected to see the highest growth, while the Asia-Pacific region is forecasted to witness the highest regional growth. Now, even with its current dominance, the AI mobile app market remains highly competitive with a continuous influx of new apps. Developers released an average of 1,134 new AI apps each month during 2024. This indicates a strong consumer appetite and an expanding role for AI in mobile applications, suggesting that while ChatGPT currently reigns supreme, the market is dynamic and full of opportunities for further innovation.